Greetings, people! Welcome to the Penthouse. This is where I make all my Penthouse podcasts. Just a little detour. Yes, my home, my penthouse. And why do I call it a penthouse? It's because this is the view. This is Arthur's Seat. That's the block next to me. Hence the title, The Penthouse Podcast. My home. My rather redundant laptop. My lounge. A wee quick stab at the kitchen. Wait till you see the view out here. It's great! How's that for pure Scottish beauty? To the left, you will be able to see Craigmillar Castle. Did you spot it? There she is. Ruins, all ruins. So, is it good to be back home from Ibiza? No, not really. Look at the size of my hall. Could play 10-pin bowling on it. But that's it. This has been me, the maker, the producer of the Penthouse Podcasts. Hello to the ladies out there. Hello, talk to Cleo. And hello also to the one and only Left, Right, Silky. And I remember that time. Holistic. Hi. Zoe. Hi. All. Bye.